Hi everyone, good morning, mabuhay. Today, we are here to talk about netiquette and computer ethics. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, mahalaga na ang tamang asal online.
Isang click, isang share, pwedeng kumalat ang impormasyon sa libo-libong tao. Pero tanong, totoo ba yan? Sure ka? Minsan, fake news na pala, pero na-share na natin. O kaya naman, nakakasakit na tayo ng iba sa comments. Bilang kabataan, hindi lang tayo basta users. Tayo ay responsableng digital citizens.
Ang computer ethics ay tamang paggamit ng technology. Tayo dapat magdakaw ng files, mang-hack o mang-scam.
Cyber attacks are harmful. Actions like hacking, pushing, and viruses. Gaya ng pwede nitong nakawin ang personal information mo.
Check the content. What is it trying to tell me? Verify the source. Where is it coming from? Pay attention to the details. Are the images real or manipulated? And lastly, think before you click. Maging magalang online at protektahan ang sarili at iba. Dahil sa simpleng pagiging responsable online, may malaking epekto sa totoong buhay.
Be smart, be safe, and be respectful online.
Happy, happy!